Welcome back, history enthusiasts. Today, we have a fascinating journey ahead, so hold on to your seats. Today, we'll delve into the captivating story of the Pakistan movement, led by the visionary Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and the incredible events that led to the creation of Pakistan in the 1940s. But before we dive in, I've got a delightful surprise for you. Stay tuned until the end, as we'll uncover an astonishing fact that few people know about this historical period. Let's rewind the clock to the early 1940s, during the final years of British colonial rule in India. A wave of nationalism swept across the subcontinent as people began to demand independence from British rule. The dream of a united India seemed unattainable as tensions between Hindus and Muslims escalated, threatening to tear the country apart. Here's where Muhammad Ali Jinnah, an extraordinary leader and statesman, enters the scene. Jinnah was a brilliant lawyer who initially advocated for Hindu-Muslim unity within a single, independent India. But as the political climate shifted, he became increasingly concerned about the rights and representation of Muslims, who feared domination by the Hindu majority. Now, brace yourselves for a surprising fact. Did you know that Muhammad Ali Jinnah was once an ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity? Yes, it's true. In the early stages of his career, Jinnah worked tirelessly to bridge the gap between the two communities. But as events unfolded, he transformed into the Quaid-e-Azam, meaning great leader, a champion of the Muslim cause, and the driving force behind Pakistan's creation. To further the Muslim cause, Jinnah joined the All India Muslim League, a political party representing Muslim interests. As the 1940s progressed, the demand for Pakistan grew louder, and the Lahore Resolution of 1940 was a pivotal moment. This resolution called for the creation of independent states for Muslims in regions where they were a majority. The idea of Pakistan began to take shape. Are you ready for another surprising fact? Let's dive in. Did you know that the name Pakistan holds a profound meaning? The word Pakistan is an acronym, combining the first letters of the regions that would form the new state, P for Punjab, A for Afghanistan, which included present-day Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, K for Kashmir, S for Sindh, and Tan for Baluchistan. It was a clever and poetic way to unite the diverse regions under one banner. As World War II raged on, the tides of history turned, and in 1947, the British finally decided to grant independence to India. However, the partition of India was a tumultuous affair, accompanied by communal violence and the largest mass migration in human history. Lord Mountbatten, the last Viceroy of India, devised a plan for partition, which faced stiff opposition from various leaders. But amidst these trying times, Jinnah remained a steadfast advocate for a separate Muslim state, leading negotiations on behalf of the Muslim League. Brace yourselves for the most astonishing fact of all. The creation of Pakistan was celebrated not on the same day as independence from British rule but a day earlier. That's right. Pakistan's Independence Day is on August 14th, while India celebrates its independence on August 15th. This fascinating twist in history showcases the uniqueness of Pakistan's journey. On August 14, 1947, as the clock struck midnight, Pakistan was born. Muhammad Ali Jinnah became the first Governor-General of Pakistan, and in his inaugural address, he outlined his vision for the nation as a democratic and progressive state, where all citizens would be equal regardless of their religion. And there you have it, the incredible story of the Pakistan movement and the remarkable leadership of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The creation of Pakistan was a historic moment, driven by the determination of millions and the vision of one man who saw the need for a homeland where Muslims could prosper and flourish. But wait, we're not done yet. As a bonus surprise, I want to tell you about something incredible that came to light recently. A long-lost diary of one of Jinnah's closest aides was discovered, shedding new light on the behind-the-scenes struggles, sacrifices, and moments of inspiration during the movement. I'll be sharing the link in the description, so make sure to check it out. Thank you for joining me on this enthralling journey through history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss a surprise. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the past and the present. This is your host Afaq Salim, signing off.